I wasn't planning to show this. Eyes. In fact, I almost kept this idea to myself. Not because it's complicated, not because it's expensive, and definitely not because it's impossible, but because the moment I finished building it, I knew most anglers would look at it and immediately make up their minds, flushed face, fishing pole. Some would say it makes no sense. Others would say it could never work. And honestly, that's exactly what makes it interesting. Because the best fishing ideas don't always look impressive at first. Sometimes they look strange. Sometimes they look unnecessary. And sometimes they look completely wrong. Eyes fire. That's why I wanted to test this idea. Not to prove anything. Not to claim it's better than everything else. But simply because curiosity is a huge part of fishing. Every new setup starts with a question. What if? What happens if we change the shape? What happens if we change the movement? What happens if we stop doing things the way everyone else does them? And that's exactly where ideas like this come from. Most anglers spend years using the same setups, the same methods, the same thinking. But every once in a while, somebody tries something different. And sometimes that's where the most interesting discoveries begin. Fishing pole. The funny part? The more I looked at this setup, the more questions I had. Not fewer, more. Because it doesn't really look like what people expect. And maybe that's the point. Maybe the ideas that attract the most attention underwater are the ones that don't look familiar. Or maybe not. That's what makes experimenting so much fun. Eyes. So before I say anything else, I want to hear from you. Would you actually try something like this? Or would you leave it at home and stick with the traditional way? Flushed face. Drop your answer in the comments below, backhand index pointing down. And if you enjoy unusual fishing ideas, fishing experiments, and homemade fishing projects, fishing pole fire, hit like, thumbs up, share this video with a fishing friend. Fish, and follow for more fishing content. Eyes.